Welcome to LNP Renewable System Integrator. Today we are going to discuss about the ship automation basics part 6. If you have missed part 1 to 5, please subscribe to the channel. In our channel we had created a playlist ship automation basics English part 1 to 22. So in the part 6 especially we are going to discuss about the rotatory switches, selector switches and the changeover switches. Okay, so at the end of the session we will find the answer for the following questions. What are the applications of a rotatory switch? How a rotatory switch looks like? How a changeover switch looks like? And how a instrument control rotatory switch looks like? Okay, so as we told earlier, in our discussions we might be using so many symbols and short forms for our discussions. If you have any doubt regarding instruments for measurement and indication, circuit breakers, interrupters, generators, transformers, connections, okay, fuses and the circuit breakers, protection, the monitoring relays, switches, relay and the contactors, units, divers, please refer to this part of the session. Okay, so what is a rotatory switch? Where we are using it? Rotatory switch is used for the control of power circuits to connect and disconnect relays, instruments and the remote equipments. Okay, so not only that application, okay, rotatory switch and switch disconnect equipments has a very vast application in maintenance, repair, safety switches, on-off switches, main switches, control switches, manual and the automatic selection. So this is another example of a switch which has more than 6 positions. Okay, so it has a 3-step control selector switch. Okay, this is a flow chart which is showing at position 1 port which of those contacts will be closed and which of those contacts will be open. Okay, those detailed clarity are given here. Whenever you are planning for a selector switch, kindly go through the data sheet and try to know the flow chart, how it is working. Okay, at what position, what those contacts will be in the NC and what those contacts will be in the, try to understand those terminal details before selecting any selector switches. This is another example which has a 3 main EM contact, which has a NO contact, NC contact. Okay, which has only 2 important contacts, one is NO and NC, that is normally open and normally closed. Next is the changeover switch. In this changeover switch we have a 3 different contact. One is auto and the other one is the hand selection. And apart from it we also have a 0 position. Okay. So mostly we used to refer these as a instrument control rotatory switches. Okay, which has a 3-phase voltmeter instrument switch. So by selecting these 3 positions, we can able to get 3 different voltages from the 3 different lines. It is often referred as a 3-phase voltmeter instrument switch. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. We are providing PLC training along with the certification for Siemens, Allen Broadley and Delta PLCs. If you are really interested to work in building automation system, building management system, okay, building automation control system, ship automation, if you are really interested to work in these industries in GCC countries, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. We are providing training along with the certification. If you are really interested to establish a DC light system, especially in the place where GB power is not available, then you can contact us. We are providing that service. Apart from it, if you might have an agricultural farms, you want to protect your crops from the animals, instead of going for artificial fencing, you can use these solar fences. We are providing solar fencing as a kit. We are also providing solar on-grid, off-grid, hybrid solar street light, solar pump services, design, installation, testing and commissioning, consultancy and training supports. If you are really interested to learn the basics of electrical vehicles and access control system, then you can contact us. We are providing training on it along with the certification. We have provided the contact details here. Thank you so much.